nothing to play with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man brings dependability.
Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias, and in my videos what I'm trying to do is help parents, mothers, and fathers with raising their son into a great man. So the videos are all geared towards raising that young man from adolescence all the way to manhood, college, and beyond. So hopefully you like the videos, just subscribe to the channel, and help us communicate what is necessary in this world to create a young man into a great man. Looking forward to hearing from you, and look forward to see you subscribe to my channel, and thank you.
Self-motivation. There's only one way for your life to turn out great. Each person must provide their own motivation. Once you have developed a motivational factor, your journey will begin. Some of the best types of motivators are our own personal goals to accomplish a certain level of living. Others are gaining specific items to better their life. But whatever we have to find that can motivate us to work hard to gain a nice lifestyle, we must do the work. Self-motivation, internal drive, enthusiasm, passion, desire, and ambition towards a goal. What we all need to make a good life for ourselves. So motivate yourself. Have self-motivation. No one will give you anything that you didn't work for or earn. Nothing in life is free in a capitalistic society. You only get what you deserve and have worked for to own. So one of the best ways to accomplish things is to gain this nice lifestyle.
Ladies, I want you to help me create a world of great men. Buy my book and give it to your man. He will thank you, and your son will thank you too.
Motivate yourself. Self-motivation is the key to anyone getting ahead in today's world. You must find that one reason for you to take on the challenges of this world and beat it. Willpower, the tool used to achieve, focus, control your accomplishment. Self-motivation will provide you with all the necessary willpower to accomplish your goal. It will be one of the things that no one can change to stop you from succeeding. When you have put your mind on pursuing a specific goal and doing everything necessary to achieve that outcome, that is the value of having a reason for self-motivation, which drives your desire. We all desire to one day be better than we are today. This means preparing. Self-motivation is something that everyone can develop in their purpose for life. It can only come from within and must be what you 100% believe. Self-motivation is not something another person can give you or tell you what to do. The real way it works is that it's your own generated mindset which allows you to place the right level of commitment and see it through. Self-motivation provides a level of commitment needed to achieve and succeed. Hello again. Thanks for watching the video. See you on the next one.
Everybody knows what they better hear. Everybody knows what this sound is. Everybody knows what they bout to hear. More than a man is nothing to play with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man brings dependability to family, and his words is bonds will stand with thee.